So for the minute, I'm going to park the 50mm for a while. I'm going to go on a different trip. I'm just taking a few different locations and try some different lenses. Now, that's not to say I'm going to stop using the 50mm, but I'm going to try and mix it up a bit. Yes, you've guessed correct. I've set sail on a catamaran en route to a small fishing village called Andraxt, just outside Santa Ponsa in Mallorca. But it's not just about the location that I'm going to. It's all about the journey and getting there, and what I hope to capture along the way. Blue skies and calm seas. All I needed now was something to catch my eye. So while I was sailing around the island, topping up my suntan, I took out my camera. And this is exactly what I got. So we finally landed in the port of Andraxt. But we only had 40 minutes to have a look around, or we would miss our boat back home. So the clock was ticking. So while walking through the narrow streets, I came across this church. With its doors wide open, how could I not have went in to have a look? And for its size, it was quite beautiful. Heading back down the narrow streets, I came across this very unusual sculpture. Of course, I had to take a picture of it. Or maybe two.
Don't look now, it's that guy again with the camera. I think he's following us. Come on, Dolores, let's get out of here, bloody tourists.
You know how I always say, something I forgot. And what was that? Oh yeah, the drone shot. I'm holding the mic because things keep coming on and off me when I'm on the boat. So that's why I'm holding the mic if I look like a douche. But what about that, huh? I actually was able to get the drone out to shoot that footage of the boat when we stopped off. Did ask permission, of course, obviously. But everybody seemed to be all right about it. Pretty cool. Didn't go in for a swim. Reason because it is a little bit cold out in the water, even though it looks so beautiful. Yeah, nice little stop off, eh? And to get the drone out, happy days. I'm not sure if that's the boat pulling away. I don't think it will lake back for it, but did we miss the boat? What's going on? Yeah, that's the boat we're getting on. I think he's just realigning up. Think so. Yeah, I think we're good. Panic over. We made it in time. Now for the next part of the trip. While we were ashore, the crew had actually prepared food for our return journey. So of course we went below deck and tucked into our meals. And it was well needed and very tasty. But I still felt that there was a little bit more to be captured on the way back, just before bringing the cruise to an end. This was just over a 3-hour trip all round, and to be on the clock like we were, I'm quite happy that I was able to cram in the entire journey in this video. And so ends the trip to Andretax. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not too sure. So there might have been 1 or 2 photos that came out okay in that. Nice trip, nice weather. Weather stayed really good, so that was good to have. Very surprised that I was able to get my drone up as well too. And I did ask permission as well too, so everything was above board and that, so it was great. So that was an added bonus. So yeah, just gonna have some refreshments now. Get myself revitalized for some more. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm hoping the next one won't be as sunny as this, but I guarantee you it'll be cool. See you guys soon.